Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings. So guys, if you're trying to play Roblox on your device but you're facing this problem and you're unable to set it, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection, and after this you have to simply open settings in your device, and from here you have to simply scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. After this, go back and now scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now you have to tap on screen time, scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time. So for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your app store and download the latest version of Roblox in your device. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.